What a great idea, so a glow stick, and it glows for 12 hours, this 6-inch light stick. Emergency radio. Okay, so this is with a hand crank, solar, USB and battery. It's in a really nice green colour as well. I love these. It's a bit of a morale booster as well, and I'll talk a little bit about morale because if you're out there for a long time, being able to listen to some music, also be able to listen to the news and find out what's going on in the world could be a really, really handy thing. Oh, a little emergency stove which has the fuel tablets in it just to get you by. Might be raining for a while you're finding yourself established. You've got a shelter just underneath a tree or in a cave and you just want to boil a little bit of water. Survival stormproof match kit. Windproof, waterproof. These things look bulletproof. Wonderful. All right, 550 Paracord. It's about 100 foot here, which is about 30 metres. Oh, signalling mirror. Really, really important. A little trick that I learnt, might have been from Gordon Deadman from Bushcraft Survival Australia, is getting your fingers, making a little peace sign and just having that there, and you can actually aim exactly where you're going to shoot it, because of course when you get to the top of the tree over there, the largest tree you can see, and the chopper's coming over, you're not going to be able to see where that light is going. So if you can get a bit of an idea by holding it with your fingers like that, you can slide it up and aim it directly at the rescuers who are hopefully going to see you. So really simple thing. You can also check out how feral you're looking after a bit of time in the bush as well. Oh, the good old hand warmers. Very, very underrated. Take up no space in your pack. They weigh next to nothing and could be the difference between getting hypothermia or not. These two together are a couple of the most important things you can have in your kit in the cold weather. Emergency poncho. Great idea if you don't have a raincoat on you. Oh wow, a real lifesaver here. Survival Supplies Australia's own branded whistle. This thing is tiny, flat, weighs nothing, takes up no kit in your pack, but this would probably be the most important survival instrument you can use out in the bush. All right, last but not least, yeah, of course, some water purification tablets. Really, really handy. If you have a look at last season, I show you how to make a filter, which is a really important skill. But until then, just to get yourself by, you'd want to have these water purification tablets, and they come here with complete instructions on how to do it. A lot of these things here are the very things that I have in my own bug out bag. Of course, you can customise it yourself. The bag comes about 3/4 full, so you can still fill it with anything else you want, some extra fishing gear. All of these things you can grab from Survival Supplies Australia as well. They've got an incredible range to really fill out your bug out bag. I know my one at home, I get my knee in there and push it right down.
This survival tip was brought to you by Survival Supplies Australia.
For their full range of survival and bushcrafting gear,
I'll guarantee you'll be very impressed.
head over to survivalsuppliesaustralia.com.au.